How to use baking soda for skin problems.
Baking soda is one ingredient that you will always find in your kitchen cabinet, but have you ever thought of including it in your beauty regime? Here are some ways to use this humble ingredient in dealing with your day-to-day beauty problems.
Skin tan. Baking soda helps in removing skin tan. Combine a teaspoon of baking soda, water and vinegar to make a paste. Leave it on the skin for 5–10 minutes. Repeat it once or twice a week depending on how severe the skin tan is.
Skin whitening. A facial wash with baking soda can help in whitening your skin. Make a paste using water and baking soda and scrub it gently on your face. Rub it in a circular motion for 2 minutes. Thereafter, wash with water and apply a moisturizer.
Blackheads. Since baking soda contains antibacterial and anti-fungal properties, it helps in treating infections that cause blackheads. It loosens the skin around them to enable easy extraction.